So here you have it, how to poach the perfect eggs.
Oh, I just made my boiled eggs in my last video. I intended to make a soft boiled egg from the get-go, but turned out to be 2 hard boiled eggs and finally one runny egg at the end. And it was tasty. I did enjoy that sweet success of soft boiled egg whilst watching YouTube, and now I'm back because I'm still just a little bit hungry and I want to get the poached egg out of the way. Again, never made it before, never attempted to make a poached egg before, so I'm going to be following this Jamie Oliver tutorial.
3 ways. Super silky, gorgeous eggs every time. The only way to poach the perfect egg is if you have really, really fresh eggs.
I'm not sure how fresh is fresh, or how you know how fresh a fresh egg is, or any egg is, but the best before date on this is 21st of February, and that's a few days away. What's the date today? 13th, so that's more than a week away. But I don't know how far away it needs to be to indicate how fresh the eggs are. I mean, it's not like I have a farm right next to me or anything. I don't live on a farm, but anyway, if I did live on a farm, I would surely use those eggs. However, I'm using these Co-op British Class A 6 mixed size organic free range eggs. RSPCA assured, British Lion quality, UK agriculture, anyway.
End of story. When it gets to the shopping, don't go to the front, go to the back and get your eggs. Even if you have to knock them all over, go to the back because they're going to be the freshest ones. Next, bring your water to the boil. That means that there's bubbles. Take it off so they subside. Look at the water. There's no bubbles here, guys. It's just poaching. Poaching is not boiling. Boiling will smash the eggs all around. Poached egg, gentle.
Apparently you're supposed to put the water on the boil, but without letting it boil, so I'm not sure exactly how that works. Something about simmering, but without any bubbles. I thought simmering involved bubbles, so this might be tricky, but I don't know.
My egg, you crack it into there and you just plop it in.
I don't have, well, I'm going to put it inside, I'm going to break my egg inside of this because I don't have one of those little, you know, those miniature bowls with me at the moment, so, but it seems, you know, pretty much the same shape, so I'll use that. I'm going to put the heat on higher because it's not bubbling. Apparently when it starts to bubble you need to take it off the bubble, off the heat until the bubbles reside. Is that the word, reside? That's not subside? Yeah. And then put it on and then hope for the best or something. Might as well get the cracked egg out the way. Hopefully this goes right first time. Oh no, that did not go right at all. Okay, failed already, and I only have 2 eggs left, so this needs to go well. Alright, that's in. What's going on with my water? I'm not seeing any bubbles yet. Is this poaching? So I have no clue what to do anymore. So there are some little bubbles coming along there. So I'll take this off. I'll put the heat down, maybe to 4. I'm not sure. Bubbles seem to have gone. It said low heat, so maybe 3. Now how long do I wait? I'll put it in. And now I'll put in the egg.
And if you have lovely fresh eggs, you're going to win most of the time. Some people say put some vinegar in the water. Really? Why? Yes, it does firm up the egg, but it tastes like vinegar. So what I would suggest, don't bother. As far as cooking is concerned, roughly around 3 minutes is going to give you a softish egg. Then it's down to you to use your noddle. So get in there. So I'm just touching that. So you want it to kind of feel like a lovely, fresh, springy mozzarella. A nice little poached egg.
In 3 minutes, so let's try and get this thing out. Wherever it is. Where is it? Is this it? Oh, it's down there. Oh wait, I wasn't even looking at it. Is that springy? I'm not sure. Okay, get this off. So here we are. My first poached egg ever. Is it springy? I have no idea. If I'm not a great judge of springiness, to be honest. Let's get a...
It's cooked to perfection. So there you go, a basic poached egg on toast.
Does this mean it's well done? And by well done I mean good? I don't know. You be the judge. Tell me if this is a good poached egg or not. I'm pretty happy that it even came out in one piece, so I'm not going to do another attempt at this. I think this is going to be... I can imagine how it tastes like egg, so I think this is good. I think this is a good result. So thank you for watching. I'm quite happy with that. I'll see you in the next video. I'm not sure if it's going to be egg related again. I think I might do a frittata next. So, great job, I would say. Bye.